My name is Ken. You're rolling with Ken. We're downtown Milwaukee, right at the entrance to the harbor, over here at the Lighthouse. You see as I look up. We're going to take a little ride along the lakefront, get back to where we started. It's all good. You're good. Enjoy the night. Gotta know the proper etiquette and have complete control. How's it going, man? Fisher guy's going crazy. Alright, have a good night. So we roll along here on the Bagi Bike. It's 48 volt. It's just holding back, waiting for the open road so I can open it up a little bit. But it is really nice tonight. 75 degrees. People just hanging out. It's not too sunny. It's not sunny. So, and we're just rolling here. I'm cruising at about 10 miles an hour or so. Pretty much using my feet. Not really using the battery. Just kind of toned back. And Milwaukee's a great place. Everyone's really friendly. As you can see in the journeys with the Bagi Bike. Everyone just kind of says, hey. Now we're at the intersection of Lakeshore Park and Summerfest. It's definitely a decision to be made. Which way are we going to go? As I've said in many of my episodes, one of my favorite places to have a happy hour, actually right over here. You can probably check it out being the sun's not too bright. But this deck right here is, see the bar? That's what I'm talking about. Right here is my place, okay? That's where I go. So here at Summerfest, you'll see me right here. My name's Ken, you're rolling with Ken. We're hanging on the Bagi Bike. It has fat tires, it's foldable. And it can do about 40 miles an hour if you let it really rip out. But today we're going to do about 10 or 12. Oh, I'm doing about 13 right now. As we approach the lagoon and Summerfest grounds at the Home Bridge and the harbor we were just in, facing towards downtown Milwaukee. Looking at the museums, it is quite a ride. You've enjoyed summer 2020. We have fall and winter editions coming up. We'll be hitting the snow, ripping up some mountains, no doubt. So now we're doing 11 miles an hour or so here at Summerfest grounds, the Harley stage. About 13 or 20. I almost have 2,600 miles on my bike. Very cool. But for today's mileage, we're talking 13.3 for right now. Listening to some tunes, hanging out at Summerfest grounds on a beautiful summer evening. Because this is Summerfest. That's Lakeshore Park. And here we are, mid-gate entrance. I bet you it's like 75, maybe 77. It is pretty warm out. If the sun was out, we'd be in the 90s. 78 at 5 o'clock. I don't know if you can see that. But it says 5 o'clock on a summer evening. 78 cloudy degrees, and I told you if there was sun you'd be definitely seeing it in the 90s. So I'm loving this right now. My name's Ken. We're rolling in the Bagi Bike. I got 13 miles on my trip right now. We're here at the Summerfest grounds, right here at the water feature, and I'll just take a pause to say hello real quick. Other than just the basic hello, the Bagi Bike is doing great. It looks great so far. It has taken me almost 2,600 miles around Milwaukee metro area on all sorts of terrain. We're about to hit up a whole bunch more other types of terrain. But for right now, my name is Ken. Rolling with Ken. Catch you in the next episode.